Welcome to Fantasmic. Mickey Mouse uses his vivid imagination to create magical imagery for all to enjoy. In a moment, you can experience a beautiful fantasy or an exciting adventure. But beware, nothing is more powerful than the imagination, for it can also expand your greatest fears into an overwhelming nightmare. We now invite you to join Mickey and experience Fantasmic, a journey beyond your wildest imagination.
No, we just have to... Look at the lights.
I'm gonna make you walk the plank. I'll beat you to the shot. Double the powder and shorten the fuse.
Shorten the powder and double the fuse. Watch this, Wendy. Cappy! Cappy!
Get up, you idiot.
Aye, sir.
I'll get you for this time, if it's the last thing I do.
something? No! No! Mr. Crocodile, do you like codfish? You do?
Save me, Save me! Please!
I'll save you, Cappy!